Hey everybody, today I'm showing you another cool Nugget ice maker. This is the Pearl L1 Pro Nugget ice maker. It can make you 33 pounds of ice every day. It can also get the job done in as low as 10 minutes. Now the difference between this and other ones that I've covered on the channel, the other ones were great, I have no complaint, but this one actually has app connectivity. You guys were kind enough to send me this to test. This is the first time I'm opening this. This is supposed to have lights as well. Right away, I like the fact that it's actually compact. So it's supposed to be about 20 pounds, so I should be able to actually get this out easily. That's about it. You just have to open this. You have the scoop here, which is taped for protection. You get the basket, which I just remove the tapes. You get the scoop, which stores here when you're done. With your guide, Nugget ice maker. You have your troubleshooting guide. That's the bait I'm getting. That's everything that you get. I want to make sure that these are not blocked. Usually say you have 6 inches on each side. You can also open this area. So this is the back. Now first I'm going to remove this. Add your water from here. You have a secondary water reservoir. You have your float switch. You have to understand the bottom as well, because that's part of the machine. So this is how you drain it. Remove this. Pretty much straightforward. There's not a whole lot going on here. You have these to make sure that it stays put. What does this do? This opens. Just be careful not to break it. It's not supposed to open all the way, at least not that I can see. When you want to pour water, you remove that basket, and here you see the max line. It says max here. This is your plug. See how it works even without any water. It comes on. Just downloading the app. This turns the lights on and off, so you can see what's happening even at night. To connect this to the app, I have to press that 3 times. I'm going to search for it. So it's going to search for it. See, it found it. It's now being added. There we go. So that stops it. That shut it down. That turns the light on. I can choose a timer for it, so that option is available. So I can select when I wanted to make ice. I can activate the cleaning process. You also have the option to push this to access the light. The size, and this is the basket. Now I'm just gonna add water and start making some ice. If I hold it for a long time, that's the cleaning process. So pretty much that's all you need to know to get it started. I just want to see how long it takes for it to make that ice. You put that back in there, you close it. It's 12:06. So that starts the process. You can sort of feel this air coming out of that. It's not that hot yet. What is the noise rating for something like this? So what time is this? This is the first ice. That's 12:11. So that's pretty fast. It's faster than the other ones I've tested by a couple of minutes. The temperature there. That's where ice is. These are chewable ice. They're not as big as your ice cube, so you shouldn't expect those. Where your ice cubes are coming. Should be close to 32 if you get it accurately. With the app, you get third-party control. You can link it to Alexa. I've now connected this to my Alexa app, so you see I can control it from there. These are the nuggets after a couple of minutes. So this is what I have. And let's see the time. It's gonna say turn off cooler. And then you add an action. So here, just go and choose what should happen. Just gonna choose. Now I just have to go and add another routine. So here I'll go add event, voice, turn on cooler. So turn on cooler, and then select your smart home, select your devices, say you go power. So now I'm saving it. Alexa, turn off cooler. Alexa, turn on cooler. That's how you add your routines to Amazon. So you select whatever you want to control, the wake word, turn on, turn off, the action that should happen. Pretty simple stuff. And then I can do it for the light as well. The action, and you go to your smart home and you select the device. You see that the cleaning mode can be chosen. You can also control the light. To turn it on and off, you just say whatever you want the command to be, and that will happen. So I don't want to do that, so I'll just cancel it. So let's say I want to see what's happening at night. That's how it is. Alexa, turn on cooler. You can have it operate these hours. That's your max line. Just gonna add, not gonna go above that. Doesn't have to be full, so we're just gonna be on the safe side. We put this there, and then I'm just gonna say, Alexa, turn on cooler. And now it's going to start making ice. The time right now is 1 p.m. We're gonna have ice in a couple more minutes. So we have 5 minutes and you have ice coming. So it's really fast. Obviously you have to wait a little bit more for the whole thing to fill up. You have 5 minutes and you have your ice. So I've tried this now 2 times, and both times it started in about 5 minutes. See, that thing is rotating there. This is just after a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna wait for this to finish. The beauty of something like this is that even if you leave it here, don't use the ice. If it melts, it will recycle. So the water recycles. They do tell you to change it every 24 hours. It's been running for a while and ice is filling up. Once it runs out of water, again, notification. If I have to drain it, I'll do it from the bottom. If I hold this for 5 seconds, it goes into the cleaning mode. So I let it run for a couple hours, and see, it's almost full. This is how you drain this. That's from the bottom. Just make sure you attach it when you're done. This is when you're running low on water. If I hold this for 5 seconds, that's the cleaning process, and it runs for 15 minutes. See, it moves the water through the system, so if there's anything in there, any ice or anything else that comes out. There are a couple of ice nuggets in there that dropped out, but that's about it. See, the water comes out, so this is how you drain it. These are smaller than your regular ice cubes. They're chewable. For more information, please go to Gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/Gadgetify. I'm going to include the links in the description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That really helps the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.